Looking for the absolute best tech 2025 asterisk? Get ready to supercharge your life with these incredible gadgets that are redefining innovation and set to dominate the market. We've scoured the market to bring you Engadget's top 5 picks, designed to elevate every aspect of your digital experience. For exclusive deals and direct purchase links to all these amazing items, check the description below right away. Number 1. The Apple iPhone 16 Pro. This isn't just a phone, it's a pocket supercomputer with a camera system so advanced, it feels like cheating. Prepare to be amazed by its groundbreaking AI capabilities and unparalleled performance. Number 2. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra takes mobile photography to a mind-blowing new level, challenging even dedicated cameras with its insane zoom and detail. Its vibrant display and robust ecosystem offer a compelling alternative for Android enthusiasts seeking peak performance. Number 3. The MacBook Air M4 truly redefines portable power. Don't let its ultra-thin design fool you. This laptop packs a serious punch, delivering stunning speed and battery life that lasts far beyond your workday, making it the ultimate productivity machine for 2025. Number 4. Experience audio like never before with the Sony WH-1000XM6. These headphones aren't just about noise cancellation, they offer an immersive soundstage and adaptive listening that anticipates your needs, making even the busiest commute feel like a private concert. Number 5. The Apple Watch Ultra 3 is more than just a smartwatch. It's your ultimate adventure companion, packed with features for extreme sports, health monitoring, and unparalleled durability. Its enhanced battery life and advanced sensors make it an absolute game-changer for active lifestyles. These are the must-have electronics and gadgets that truly stand out in 2025, promising to transform your daily routine. Don't miss out. Discover why these devices are topping every best tech list this year.